Alright. You ready? Alright. What's up, everybody? I'm Callie, I'm Dad, and this is CaliDad taste test, and I'm tired. I'm stressed out. I would love to go somewhere else for a while. Been thinking about vacation, maybe vacation in space. I don't know. This is a dumb intro for some freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. We were at a candy store. Lolly and Pops, they're pretty good. And Serge is here. Hi. Hi. I told Serge, hey, pick out one thing and we'll get it. And this is what he picked. The freeze-dried Astronaut ice cream sandwich. Astronaut ice cream's been a thing forever. Well, at least since the 60s when there were astronauts to begin with. We went over what freeze drying was when we had to Google it. I had to Google it because I really didn't know myself. It's dehydrated through freezing, basically. It says the inner paper wrapper is slit to facilitate freeze drying. Your ice cream may be a little broken. That's okay. Just like people. Might be a little broken. That's okay. Also, this freeze dried ice cream sandwich cost $6.50. There you go. It's a lot of crumbs. It's in a little sleeve, wrapped up like a proper ice cream sandwich.
It's gonna open up like a Google. There's gonna be crumbs everywhere.
Yeah, there's gonna be crumbs everywhere. Does it count as crumbs if it's ice cream?
It's not ice cream plastic.
Oh, it's super broken. It's super broken. Here, let me give you a piece. It feels like hard cotton candy. Like,
It's like I'm holding like a... I forgot what it was called. Never mind.
let's try it.
Kinda tastes like marshmallow. But it's solid.
Yeah, it reminds me of marshmallow. Yeah. Serge is right. Ah! God, there's dry ice cream crumbs everywhere. This is a mess. Here, you can undress this. Be careful, please. What would you give that, Serge, out of 10?
I don't know, like a 6. It's alright.
Same. 6. Like the amount of dollars I paid for it. It's starting to melt in my mouth a little bit. It's just, yeah, it still just tastes like marshmallow. I think because of the texture, but also because it's just vanilla. There was another flavor there, right? Was it just chocolate? I think it was just chocolate.
No, it was a... I don't know how to pronounce it.
Neapolitan.
Yeah.
Yeah. I kind of want to try that. See if that just tastes like strawberry and chocolate marshmallow.
Like, you're the one that wanted me to pick vanilla.
Because I want a baseline. And I also didn't want to buy 2 of them. Anyway. Follow me on Twitter. CaliDad taste test. CaliDad taste. Sorry. Forgot my branding. You know what it is. We're on YouTube. You know what it is.